Hello everybody, I'm just gonna check if the streaming is working. And yes, it's working, I think. Yeah, my mouse. Yeah, I think so. Okay, good. So, hello everybody. Yep, okay, you can see my screen. Okay, so today we're making Breakout. This is a simple game where you just you get a ball, you have a little paddle, like in ping pong, and then it tries. I'll show you running in a minute. Wait a minute. I'm just going to add the score under this. We can just print this if we want later. Let me just do score. I admit now, yeah. Oh no, I'll quickly put this in C++20 because we got C++20. Why not use it? Okay. I'll admit at the minute the code is not the best. You can see setting the position -100, -100, just because Vector doesn't have good. Oh, Vector's really good, but it doesn't have the like the remove at, which I think's. Well, I don't think it has. I've gone CPP reference and see if it's got remove at, but I definitely don't think. Because before I've had to just do it all manually. The cost of that's very significant. Okay. Just waiting for CPP reference to load up, then I'll get up Vector. Standard library, utilities. Where's Vector? Let's look at it. Stood Vector. Okay. Quick look at this. Got that, resize, place, insert, eraser. Shrink to fit. No, you see it doesn't have it doesn't have remove at a certain index, so that's why I'm setting this to -100, -100. Anyway, okay, score. What's wrong with it? Yeah, haven't included iStream. So this is the last day of 2023. So thought I'd make a game. I saw it on Nathan Bagg's YouTube channel. He was making it in assembly C and C++. Thought I'd just I'd seen the game before, like on TikTok and things, but then I'd never actually played it. So I wanted to make it, and I didn't know the name, but I had. Well, now I do because I watched Nathan Bagg's video, but before I didn't. Okay, I'll stop. I suppose I could make a class for all of this, but we're only 100 lines. Okay, so we're setting when the ball that hits one of these what they call targets, we times the, so we just make all the velocities the other way. We times them by -1, and then we increment the count if we've hit a target, and then we move that target away, and then we output the score. So now we'll just for const auto define in targets. We're just gonna print window.draw I, and the positions we already set all the way up here. I thought this would take so much code, and it'd be really complicated, but no, it's just super easy. Okay, anyway, not too easy, but you know. because I was trying to this morning. I was trying to figure out how you embed like a Google sorry, my tongue is just how you embed a Google like search engine into a C++ program, because I need it for one of the projects I'm making. But turns out it's very hard to do, and instead I'm just going to open up Chrome, and then like when you type into Google and then you have these Google.com, then you have, say you type in hello, and it doesn't just go like this / hello, or like Q hello or something, which would be so much better, and then you could just, so much easier for devs, you can just do it and then like hello world, like that. But no, it doesn't. So if you want to type hello, like I'm not a web dev myself, so I don't know. So look, and all of this is generated, so instead of using Google, I just open up Edge, type in that this is depending on what the user inputted, and if it's like two words that they inputted, you just add a plus here and then by, and then you'll see it has the by bit here, and then but it has all of that. I'm not sure if that's to do with your IP and things, like it's different for where you live or the internet connection, because that could be a problem. But I'm starting the project tomorrow in the new year, so, and hopefully it'll make me a bit of money. Okay, let's just see. No concurrent views, no chat rate, no views. Okay, anyway, Robert, if you're watching this in future, hello. Okay, now we'll just draw them. That should be it. Oh, there might be a big error, but it's fine. Normally, things don't work on the first run, except if you... Oh, good. Well, no, you can be really good. Like, you have to learn from mistakes. Everyone. I think there was a statistic, it was every 10 lines, people on average make a mistake. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Yeah, it's working. It's working. And we can see score 2 on the thing. Oh my. I need to fix this. It's just going... Maybe I don't times it all by -1. Just look at that. I can just leave that there. I think maybe I should only times like the y by -1 or something, because now it's just going. Well, no, you get the like. I hope you get the idea. I just play this out. Okay. First, no, I'm going to shut this down, and I'm going to. We're not going to bool.velocity.y equals. But then for velocity.x equals. No, we're just going to leave it, I think. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, this should be fine. Hopefully, be fine. And then this will be the first time. This is the only game I've made that's under, like, just around about 100 lines. So simple. I could easily shrink it down. I think. Not easily, but just take out some lines. And so what I need to do now... yeah, this is working better. Look at that! Oh. Before, I was just playing around with it, and then I was printing like, everywhere the bullet had been. Then I was trying things like cos, tan, and square root, and see if I could like make some beautiful patterns. But then, for some reason, it was just going all the way down here. I don't know why. But so what I need to do now is... And, oh yeah, the reason it went so fast there is because I did, every time it's hit, the velocity is increased by 1.1 times. It's 110%. You see it's clearing them up. Okay, then we need to just stop the program when it's... Or we can leave it going. But you see, like that's a problem. Like, there we go. Okay, so first of all I'm going... So you see there's 48 of them there. I'm going to have endl. Not endl, end line. Because endl flashes the buffer and we don't want that. Bad practice. Okay. So we're going to just copy this. Because we need to make a different one for it to go down. That's what we'll do here. Then we can just decrement the score, I suppose. So we can do score. Minus equals 1, or we could do just score minus. But no, we're just going to do score minus equals 1. What did I have score as? Count. I'll just change them all to score. Okay. For some reason, like when I'm streaming, well, it's a good reason, but like my computer can't handle it. I should be getting a new computer soon, because I was supposed to get it like a year ago or two, but then I chose to save it up. I've still got some money from Christmas because I split it so like half money, half presents. I know I can be using these dev tools around right here, but I haven't invested in learning them yet. Okay, and then score minus equals 1, then we're going to bool.set position. We're just going to set it back in the middle, which is, I think it's 500, 350, if I remember correctly. There's 1000, so yeah, okay. Now this should work better, and it was actually be a game now. And bear in mind, to play this game you use A and D. I'll put this on my GitHub also. I could make it a public game also. Also, I should add text, but okay. No. Okay, I died. Not died, but look at that. I think we should remove the velocity things, because actually, how did that happen? If it's supposed, I think I've done the wrong one actually. Yeah, I've done the X one instead. Gosh. Okay. Yeah, that's what happened. So it's Y less than 0. Do we do that? Whoops. This one was the first one. You should be paying more attention. Okay, so then put this here. Because I was thinking, how could it bounce like that? But it couldn't. So it's not totally broken. I should be going to, I think, Aberdeen soon. Yep. Should be good. Okay. First of all, let's see. So we've got to. That should be good now. Bear in mind, this is just a simple application compared to the other ones, because I just saw it on Nathan Bags. So don't take this as like the best standard I can do. So I can do better. If you want to see a good standard of my work, see, I made chess. Okay. Wait, this still doesn't work. It's bouncing off there. So what I need to do now, because it's wrong. If y is less than 0, we do ball dot set position. It shouldn't be bouncing off. I'll leave it and see what happens. Yeah, it bounces. Oh, I know. I was doing it wrong because I was thinking, like, you know, in maths, you normally have it's starting from the bottom left, but here it starts from the top left. So we need to swap these around. Okay. So the project I'm starting next year, so tomorrow, it's going to be to do with my HPQ. But I can't say it because I'm going to hopefully make a business out of it. And I want to have lots of games on it also. Yeah, it's working now. Nice. I'm on 0. You could easily get minus points here. Nice. It's working. Or is it? Because it seems like it's just going in the same direction. Should we have it so? Because when I've played these type of games before, like, they bounce off weirdly. Like, they go back the same way. Oh, the velocity's been increased, so... Oh, this is hard. Okay. I need to make the controls right, because this... I need to increase it more times. I was doing this to make it like look smoother, because you don't want it increased by 20 at a time. If you increase it by 1 every time, it looks a lot smoother, but I'm not sure if that's the case. But yesterday when I was streaming, I can't remember what I did, but it suddenly shut down. I think it's because I was looking at my stream on YouTube and something like that. It's actually not a bad game for what it is, like how easy it is to make. I think one also reason it's been a bit laggy now. Okay, I'm just gonna treat when it bounces off the paddle. If you get global bounds dot intersects ball dot, yeah, this is it. We won't do, maybe just do like that. We can, or we can just come around. Okay. So it is today, Sunday. It's good actually, because last day of the week, last day of the year. Not bad. I'm going to Aberdeen, but what? Do you see that? See this? That's why. Because look. Okay. That's interesting. So we can't do that. We'll have to do it on the Y. Because it's just like slanting over, and then if... Yeah, this should work, hopefully. Oh, got the semicolon. Semicolon. Yep. It's only 4:08 PM already. Oh. So on the software that I'm going to make over the next few weeks, I want it to include, so the project I'm going to start tomorrow, I want it to include lots of these games, little games, quite simple, but really fun games. Yeah, this is good, I think. This is working. No, this is very hard. I play a full game and then I could also add like oh no. Nice. And I also need to add this stop thing. Or it could just, yeah, as I mentioned it before, or it could just keep going. Oh. No. It's going so fast now. I think I should take out this increasing it by. It's just going to be the same as with. That's literally so hard to get to though. No. You see this bit, like, my score is now 23. Okay, we're gonna stop that. Stop increasing velocity because it's too hard. You feel that my score is probably in minus points. Anyone's got any other ideas of what I should like? Because I just like I was coding along. Phil Nash made a parody of. I've forgotten the actual song. It was a parody of, but it was called it was All by Myself. It was like I'll build myself. Very good song. Highly recommend. On the C++ and C YouTube channel. Okay. Scores 4. And what's also really good about programming, like if you're in the plane and you've got Visual Studio and you know C++, you can just program your own games. And you don't have to pre-download them. Like it's a challenge also, making your own games. And although this is extremely simple, yeah, you can make other ones like chess. I'd probably say chess or mlib is one of my best creations. Or the flashcard app. I used I'mGUI. I think it's quite good. Quite good application. And to be perfectly honest, like I think it's like, isn't it? If you never miss a shot, this is predetermined. Because how fast this paddle moves is not taken into account when calculating this game. Because what we do is we check if they're overlapping, and then we do something. And that something is we just change the velocity. Oh. I don't know. Okay. See if we can actually finish this level once and for all. I actually never took any gaming, like never read any books. Never took any really courses. Just like, and I didn't even know that there was like the dot move. Like before, I was just doing dot set position and like sprite dot set position, and then like if I wanted to increase the x coordinate by 10, all I would do is I would get sprite dot get no, sprite dot set position. Then for the x parameter, I would do sprite dot get position dot x plus 10. And then for the y, sprite dot get position dot y. And then that was it. I didn't know you could do remove. That'd be so much simpler. I was planning on going into get half price bubble tea at Tealith, but I thought better of it because the train ticket's £4, and I know the train ticket's £4, and the bubble tea half price cost is I think it's like £2.50, or like for the Hey Tang Jumina chat, it's £3. I can't remember the actual price, but it was half price. And the owner of the shop gave me like 20 of them, so I want to use them. Or I could just sell them to people for 50p or something. Because buying one for 50p is not a bad offer. But I don't think you even need them to go do it. They just do it automatically. Enough of the rant. Okay, last one. You got a score of 45, and I think it's about 48, isn't it? So we've hit it 2 times already. Oh, how close! Yes, we've done it. We have done it. Okay, we'll leave the ball still bouncing, but no, I'm not sure. I don't know. I'll just go back onto the stream and see if there's anything. No viewers, no chat, right? No views. Okay. I'm just going to. Okay, I'm just gonna get some water, and I'll see you soon. Yeah. So this was for my I made like a tutorial or something, but okay, quickly gonna get some water. See. Okay, I'm back. I haven't eaten breakfast or lunch, so peckish. It's 4 o'clock, no, yeah. We're not here. Okay. Here I am. So this is it. I'm going to add. Yeah, I'd say I've probably finished here. We could add some little changes, but won't make much difference. So I just add it to my GitHub. Because I'm going to build a huge portfolio of my GitHub things, so if I need a part-time job, I can just show them it, and if I do get my business up and running, which I'm going to start working on tomorrow, I can put it there. Okay, what are my warnings? Probably about int to float conversions. Oh, cognitive complexity. Just to make things look cool. You can do the trailing return type C++ 20. I think it's an error, but I've made it C++. Okay, I'll just see if there's anything else I can clean up before. If I suppose I could do just do and. Yeah, why not? Because we're not going to do anything. Or are we? I'm not sure. No, just leave it like this. I think it's pretty clear, my intent. So owner, I can make it as metaprogram CPP or object. So breakout, create and push shared readme. I'm pretty sure it's a screenshot. I could add that later. Okay, waiting for it to sonar lint. I like sonar lint. Phil Nash used to work there, I think. That's where I think I first heard of it, or it was on sponsors. Sonar source. It's very good, it's free. You can get it on Compile Explorer as well. Really good. Sonar something. I'll look at it. Let's see what was last time I got Bolt. I haven't used Godbot in a while actually. I used to use it loads for metaprogramming, but now I do quite a lot of graphics things and don't need it as much. Just my Godbot, I've got the greatest respect for making this, and it's open source. And what was this? Find amount of views. Oh yeah, this was the advent of code. Oh, Google is a sponsor now of Compiler Explorer. Wow, that's amazing. If I get rich one day, I would like to donate to Compiler Explorer. Oh, my Edge page is just frozen up. Okay, looking at my programming project, excellent connection. Start virtual camera, should I? No. Won't reveal my identity just yet. I think I have already, haven't I, on this channel? I'm not sure. See if it's uploaded. Yep, we've got breakout. I just go on Chrome. For some reason, Chrome's supposed to be so heavy, like performance heavy, but I've got 196 pages on here, but Chrome always normally works when I can't get Edge to work. So actually no, I won't reveal what it's been before either. It's to do with my project, but keep it secret. Actually, I can. So my plan is you can use Windows.h, then you can open up Microsoft Edge by using this command, and then you can open a certain URL when you open this, and then what I want to do is, so say you've got, why am I stuttering? I don't know. Say you've got input that's more than one word long. Where's this for loop made? Where did I make this? Oh, it was on my GitHub that I made it, that's why. I started off here. I'm not sure if I'm even logged on Chrome. No, I'm not. I don't really want to do it on stream. Well, I want to show you, but I don't want to reveal my password. I can't be sure. Okay, hopefully you can't see it. And it's saying it's not responding, so if I suddenly go out, that'll be why. Sign in. Send code via SMS. I was watching this interesting video by Fireship, who does programming videos on YouTube, and it was like, how? No, it wasn't. It wasn't Fireship. It was a different dev, and it was about can. Oh, I got WeChat message. Happy New Year. Okay. Happy New Year. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to go on to I've just received a message but I can't find. I would play some music, but I don't want my stream to be taken down. My code is. I won't say it on the stream. Okay, I'm signed in. Now I can show you. No, not this one. For some reason, I've deleted this thing, and all my themes have gone super weird. Like this one, it's like this. I don't know how. This one is turned white. Just, I don't get it. It's still black here, the mini map. Anyway, go back onto breakout and is it working now? No. Actually, I won't reveal that. No. So what I was trying to say is that you can, using the Windows library, so my application will only work on Windows then. Or I could find a Mac alternative. But for now, my first release is going to be just for Windows. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a Google. So I'm going to pass the input. So then for every word, I can remove this. Instead of the space, I'm going to put a plus. So I think that will be quite easy. Then I just, instead of where the actual input from the user that they type into Google goes, I'll just put the past input string, and then that should be fine. And I can, so I won't have to embed like a Google browser into it. I can just open it up on the Windows computer. Okay, so this shows some of these. Oh, 7 contributions. How have I done that? What have I contributed? I don't know. My mom's back now. Okay. Oh. Better copyright it before people can take it. Anyway. Probably people won't take it. So if you've got any questions about PSC, files, decomp, format, ONT, mlib, SMLChess, flashcard app, you can ask me. What have I got open here? I've got SMLChess. Now, I'd say I'm quite proud of the way I've gone about programming this, because I've reused these castle and knight classes, so that this font is just. So where have I done it? Move to get all possible positions. So I've just made the castle object, and I get all of the positions allowed to move to. And then I also do the same for the bishop, because all the queen is, it's a castle, it's a bishop. So if you add those all together, that'll be a queen. If you just merge a castle and a bishop, because think of it, bishop can go all the 4 ways diagonally, and black castle or castle just can go just straight or up, and that's basically it. So all 4 directions are straight in a line. Okay. So that's what I did there. I'm not sure it's a best practice, but I would say it's pretty good. So then we just merge them together. This one, you can barely see these semicolons. I don't know how it happened. So the idea here. So bishop positions. Yeah. I'm not sure. Can you just push back another vector? Let me see. I'll go into CPU reference. I had a cool thing on here actually. I don't know if it worked. No, it doesn't look like it's working. CPU reference. And so I don't know if you can push back a vector on a vector. That'd be good, because push back. Let's see. A value. Just the push back ABC, push back move S. No, it doesn't look like you can with these examples. No. But yeah, so that's why I just did that. So for the queen, so we get all the positions that a castle can move, all the positions that a bishop can move. We just merge that all into one vector that they can move to, and we just return the positions, because this is how we check if we can move to this. But this is, I haven't finished this yet, because I still need to do, like, if there's a pawn in the way. But at the moment, I'm leaving it up to the trust of the, I'm trusting the user, which I know. Do not quote me on that. So, anything else to mention currently? We can run it. Chess. So today I finished making breakout. Chess, like, there's still all the, like, so say a pawn, so say I'm here, and say a pawn went here, and then this, you could actually take the pawn like that. I forgot the name of this type of move, but you can do it. It's weird, and then this one will be dead like that. But then I can just get one back. So put that back there, like that. So that's what some of the future things I should start developing, and also things I recently developed is Z to delete a piece, and then you can with QA and WS and ED and RF. Wait, you see, this is for some reason RF. F gives you a black castle. So you don't know why. T, G, Y, H, and that's like that. So yeah, that all works. But now you can't delete them. Or move them. So that's also some things I need to improve on. What else do I have here? Oh, this was, I just was doing using SLR. I think it's like, no, I wasn't doing this, ChatGPT was. It's really good that they bump off each other. And then it also takes in the size into account. This uses like square root things and stuff that I do not know about. Well, I know square root and things, don't get me wrong, but how you take that into account into this, I don't know. I'll need to take a book out from the library. There's like game programming with C++, and it covers like the math and things. It's just cool to look at this. I was thinking it just making a stream on a platform, just stream this. But it's quite nice to look at. Because you see there, like, when the big blue ball hits the green ball, like, the green ball moves further than the blue ball. And sometimes you get these things where they get stuck together, and then, like, for instance, the green ball is rotating around the blue ball. But yeah, it's not often. And I think the output's always going to be the same, because there's no random numbers when I looked at the code for this. That's cool. Okay, anyway, enough of this. So yeah, that's a theme problem. But I made this project today, No, not this one. This one. Just clicked on it. Yeah, and then theme's fine here. I could play some music, I suppose. And just put this on. Like, what would you call it? Music that doesn't have copyright. Free copyright music? Non-copyright sounds. Or someone may just be pretending not copyright this. Control. I know what. Okay. Showing different. Oh, I think I know why. I remember hearing from that podcast that only sometimes, like, you've got to give an even amount of slow time, big characters, so yeah, do this. Web devs that quite cool having a job being web dev for people and then like these web with the at 12 in UK time, New Year's Day. I want some snow soon. I'm gonna have a look at the
over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
webcam. Zero out of 34 runs are open. Maybe because it's Sunday. No, it's got a nice heavy snowfall there. Low slopes, a wee bit of snow. And I see the Aberdeen weather forecast. Okay, this is turning into a bit of a. Oh, this nearest mountain to Aberdeen. Mount Keene. It's looking like snow in Mount Keene. In Thorabreach. Okay. Okay, I think I'll end the stream here and I'll come back later. Because I'm just doing some looking around for like when I'm going on holiday next week. So it's been 51 minutes and a bit. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.